why you should clean out your Instagram in 2018. Now, so with the changes happening to the Instagram algorithm, what they're doing is only showing your content first to 10% of the people who follow you. So what is happening to a lot of accounts is you're not getting the exposure you used to because the inactive followers, the inactive users are getting sent the content, but they're not even logged into their account, or they're not viewing your content, and you end up getting that content reduced. Because what happens, they send it out to 10% of your followers, and then if your content is good, then it keeps going out to other followers. But if they send it out to 10% and those 10% don't like your content, then you're just going to fall by the wayside. So what happens with a lot of people's Instagram accounts, including mine, is that you put content out there, it doesn't get enough likes or comments, traction within the first hour, and it doesn't get enough exposure and people, obviously liking it. So then what happens is Instagram goes, well, we showed people, but they didn't really like it, so we're going to stop showing people as much. And then it falls by the wayside, right? So what you want to do is you want to have a clean account, so then you know that, all right, when my content goes out there, those people will like it and comment on it, which is more likely for my other followers to then see this content, and then it's more likely to get on the search page, so then people from the search page see my photo or see my video, and then they come to my page and they start following me. So you've got to reverse engineer it. Okay, I want more followers, I want a growing Instagram account. Okay, cool, what have I got to do now, and what are some of the things that you got to do in 2018? And one of those is cleaning out your account. Now, you're probably asking, all right, Vaughn, that's great, that's good, I understand it. What have I got to do? So to clean out your account, first you've got to clean out your ego. You've got to go, okay, cool, I've got however many followers now. Like, I'll take my account, for example, I had just over 3.5k followers, it was like close to 3.6k followers. And you download this app which is called Cleaner, Cleaner. So it's called like IG Cleaner. You can go on the App Store on iPhone. I'm not sure, it's probably on the Google Play Store for Androids. But went on the App Store, get this Cleaner app, and then I think you can pay like $5 or $6, and it will, first you can do it for free, and then after that you pay $5 or $6. And what happens is you load up all of your followers, and then you get it to select all of the people who have not been actually even logged into their Instagram account in like the last 60 days. Because those are people who, if they're following you but they haven't even logged into their account in the last 60 days, all they're doing is giving you a follower, however, not increasing your exposure. And then beyond that, you're like, Vaughn, what is the benefit? More followers. However, you get more people to your account. So for instance, when I did this with my account, 3.6k down to 2.9k at the moment, and I'm going to drop like another, probably another 500 followers. So I'll end up going from just over 3,500 to 2,500. However, what's happened is my people, like the amount of people coming to my page that are not people who are following me has doubled. So there's an increase. I'm getting more followers like on a consistent basis now, because more people are coming to my account, because my account is getting to the search page more often. More people are tagging people in my post. More people who are a part of my page are seeing it. So Instagram is favoring smaller accounts, because with the smaller accounts, it is able to keep the interaction happening. Now you're thinking, why would Instagram do this? You've got to understand, with all these social media platforms, me being a social media marketer, I understand Instagram is a business, Facebook is a business. They want to have the best possible content on their platforms. And if that means cutting you out, they will. They don't give a shit, really. They're like, okay, cool. If this person is putting spammy stuff up, we're going to stop showing it. If people don't like this person's content, we're going to stop showing it. They're like, if you have good content, we're going to put it out more so then more people see it. So they want people commenting on your posts, they want you having longer posts, they want you having videos. When you start working towards their algorithm, they are going to reward you for it. So one of the things with that is, like I said, is having a smaller account. And now that doesn't mean like, if you've already got 20K or 30K or 50 or 100 or 200K followers, that just means that you've got to go through and you've got to sift and sort using the Cleaner app. And you basically just set it to how many days they're inactive, and you just go through and you go quick select inactive users. Once you've loaded up your users, and it'll go through and it'll select them. You can only what it does is it actually blocks them, then unblocks them. So it enables you to get rid of them as a follower. However, they can still come back and follow you. So say if you accidentally blocked your mum or your sister or something because they haven't logged into Instagram in more than 60 or 90 days, whatever you have it set to, they're then able to come back and they're like, oh, wait, I'm not following you, and then they'll just go and they'll just hit follow again, right? So that'll allow them to follow you again. However, you will, of course, that'll happen if you've got a big batch that you're going through. But positives, like I said, you are going to get more exposure, and the people who are on your profile will be more likely to be interactive. You're, of course, going to get more people on your page, which is going to, of course, give you more followers. The downside is your ego is going to take a hit of you not having as many followers. However, in the long run, you'll get more followers and you'll get more engagement, which is what matters. Now, if you're wanting to be an influencer, it doesn't matter if you have fucking 100,000K followers. If only 500 of those 100,000K like your post, that's a shit account. That means you have low engagement. That is not what companies are looking for. Companies are looking for accounts that have a high engagement rate. Instagram wants you to have a high engagement rate. So you want to work on that engagement rate to get it up, so then your account is building, your content is getting out there, and of course you're increasing your influence. And if you are an influencer, that of course is going to increase your income. So guys, I hope you got value out of that video. If you liked it, hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, because I do a YouTube video a day I'm doing a YouTube video a day for 100 days. So join me along the way and hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.